this tutorial I will show you how to enable single tap call answering on your Samsung device instead of swiping. Follow these steps. Go to the Settings option. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Choose Interaction and Dexterity. Enable the Assistant menu option. Select Allow to grant permission for the Assistant menu. Once enabled, you will see a circular Assistant menu icon on the screen. Tap on the Assistant menu icon and select Assistant menu. Enable the Replace Swipe with Single Tap option. To avoid the accessibility icon interfering with your phone usage, you can select the Show as Edge icon option. Drag the Assistant menu icon to the edge of the screen and position it conveniently for easy access. Now, when you receive a call, simply tap on the phone icon to answer it without the need to swipe.